How to reset your TradingView account completely. Now, if you want to reset everything in TradingView, there is no one button to reset everything that you have in your account in TradingView completely. In order to do that, you must delete your account. But one thing that you can do without deleting your account is resetting your charts and setting to default. In order to do that, simply open your TradingView and you are going to see this chart right here. From here, you need to tap into this gear button from the bottom right side, tap into that, and then you will see the option of more settings. Tap to more settings, and then you will see this option right here of settings, and then tap to template button. From here, you need to tap to apply defaults, and for all of the settings, the default will be applied, and then you need to hit OK button from here, and your settings in TradingView will reset to default. And this is how you can reset all of your setting in your TradingView account at default. But in order to reset your account completely, you must delete it and create new one. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.